Alright guys, here I'm going to show you how I played a BullFlag pattern. And before I play the video, because I do record all my trades, we're going to be looking right here. See, this is a flagpole, and these candles right here represent the flag on the flagpole. So let's play this. And so basically, you're supposed to buy a bull flag when it crosses its peak, okay? So that looks like the 820 area. But what I look for is increasing volume down here. And I also look at the tape and see how fast that's moving. So if I get the feeling, like right here, you know, it just spiked up a little bit. And you could just see the volume rushing in. And boom, I just got in at 822. So right here, the 500 shares right here, IGC. So you can see my active P&L statement. And if you can, oh, you can't see the other chart. I'm sorry. So I was looking to sell this around the 850 area, but obviously you have to see if it's even going to go to 850. So as that's going up, let me just see if I could show you. Okay, so you can see this area right here. So it touched 850 before. So, you know, that's what I'm waiting for. So I have my finger on the trigger right here. You can see the old cursor on the sell button. And it's increasing, it's picking up. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I don't see too huge of an order down here. So right here, it's shooting up. I'm up like $48. Like I said, I'm looking to lock in around the 850 area. Probably under 850 because that's going to be a source of resistance, especially since, you know, it had problems in that area before. So like 845, and there we go, 840. So I'm getting ready to sell. See, it touches the 840 area and it kind of starts pulling back, which is, you know, it's fine. What I don't want to do is make this a red trade since I'm already in profit. So already in my head, I tell myself, oh, I just sold it. Basically, when I saw this candle coming down, I didn't want to make this a red trade. And you can see it is having a pullback. And that's it. I mean, I could have gotten a little more out of it. And later on in the day, it did go even higher. But as a day trader, I'm just going to take profits when I can. This was a small order because at this point in time in the day, there wasn't really too many stocks that were going crazy. But after this point, you know, things definitely heated up. So let's just replay that real quick. So yeah, so this is a classic bull flag. And if you could catch it right here, that would be even better. All you got to do is look at the volume bars. If it's, see how it's like flat down here and then it picks up, that's a good indication. And, you know, no trade, you're not going to know which trade is going to, you know, do it and which trade is not going to do it. But basically when you see the setup, such as the bull flag, you take the trade. And it's either going to work or it's not going to work. And that's just how it goes. And if you want more confidence into buying bull flags and other patterns, you should really look up a book by Mark Douglas. Actually, people posted it on YouTube. So it's kind of messed up because Mark Douglas is not going to make any money on the book. But his full book is on YouTube. It's called Trading in the Zone. And that's the guy that basically allowed me to become a better trader, because I would see these bull flags like a million times and I would never pull the trigger because, oh, it could come down, you know, and like, you know, you just got to be confident enough into pulling the trigger, and it's gonna work like 80% of the time. And at 20% of the time that it's not gonna work, you got to get out. You got to have a stop loss price, a mental stop loss price in your head, that when you see your mental stop loss price on a tape right here, on the time and sales tape, you just got to get out. I mean, that's how I play it. So for instance, I generally play with like a 5 or 10 cent stop loss. So if I got in at 822, that means at 812, I'm out. As soon as I see 812 on here, I don't care. I'm clicking sell and I'm out. And that's just how I play it. Or you could do it with a 5 cent stop loss. I don't set hard stop losses. I don't do that. Most professional traders just use a mental stop loss. But the people, the newbies, they have a problem of exiting on their stop loss because they're like, oh, I'm in there. I don't want to pay the commissions. It's going to go back up. Or they start hoping. You know, that you can't trade like that. You definitely can't trade like that. You gotta play this like a robot. When you see your pattern, you enter the trade. Like right here, perfect bull flag. You enter the trade. Like you could have entered at 810. So let's say you play this, you know, really well. You entered at 810, and then you exit at the top like 840. That's 30 cents. Now multiply 30 cents times 500 shares and you got 150 bucks. Multiply it by 1,000 shares and you got 300 bucks. So anyways, guys, this is just a short video on a bull flag. I'm going to put this on simplyadditions.com in the blog area because I will be blogging more about my trades because I got to admit, I love trading stocks. It takes a while to learn. You know, I think I could have learned a lot faster if I didn't join the wrong chat room and I got confused because somebody was trying to sell DVDs and, you know, confusing me. If you're day trading, you don't have time to be reading SEC reports, okay? When something like this is happening, you got to have the ability to react, get your money, and get out. So that's what it's about. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Look forward to more videos. I recorded so many trades. I will be posting these on my YouTube channel and on simplyadditions.com in the blog area because, you know, I'm going to be doing this from now on. So I love it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, by the way, like, share, and subscribe. That'll help me out. Thanks a lot. See you.